Component design in BricsCAD is fast, flexible, and accurate. Our unique approach enables you to directly manipulate the model in the early design stages just by pushing, pulling, or rotating any face or edge to quickly create the shape you need. You can then add as much or as little control as you want by applying constraints and parameters, which can be changed to exactly capture your design intent. You can even automatically fully parameterize your part at the click of a button. Intelligent 2D and 3D AI-powered tools further supercharge your workflows by cleverly automating processes. All of this adds up to fast component development and modification to help you meet critical deadlines. 2D drafting and drawing creation is also easy and efficient, allowing you to get the right, accurate documentation downstream to production in as short a lead time as possible.